Kimberly. I am 7 years old. Today I will present a story. The title is The Kitten That Went Fishing. There was once a playful kitten who followed a cat on a fishing trip with their fishing rod. They waited under a tree for the fish to bite. After a while, the kitten got restless. He saw a dragonfly and began to chase it. He came back without the dragonfly. Meanwhile, the cat had caught a big fish. Later, a butterfly flitted by. Again, the kitten put aside his fishing rod and chased after the butterfly. By the time he came back, the cat had caught another fish. The kitten sat down and complained, I have not caught any fish yet. The cat said, look, if you concentrate and don't go around chasing butterfly or dragonfly, I'm sure you will catch one. The kitten listened to the cat and concentrated on his fishing. Soon he caught a fish too. Moral of the story is, if you want to do well in anything, you should concentrate on it. Thank you.